Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Overjoyed. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Overjoyed, which basically means extremely happy. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি অত্যাধিক আনন্দিত কিংবা আনন্দে আত্মহারা. Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. He was overjoyed to see her mother again. Example 2. We are overjoyed for the company's favorable decision. Example 3. Rina is truly overjoyed because her article has been published in a journal. Example 4. I was truly overjoyed when I was called to lead the team. The last one we have. My sister was overjoyed having seen her beautiful birthday gift.